Hiya! Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look what we have got today. Potato wedge, cheesy ones. So we're gonna start with boiling some potatoes, just like that. And after you let it cool down, to avoid burning yourself, then you cut that into quarters, just like that. And just as easy as that, I will repeat the procedure with all my potatoes. So follow up in the next step, just very easy. Once our potatoes are cut, we start adding a little bit of oil, and we're gonna turn them that they all get some oil, just like that, like you see in the video. Just turn it like they all get some oil. The oil is just gonna be a glue for our herbs, cheese, pepper, whatever we are using it. This time I'm using just regular ground pepper and some Grana Padano cheese. So the oil will make them to stick to the potato, and just like that we are gonna add a little bit at the beginning, mix it, and then add a little bit more until you realize it's all the potatoes has some cheese. Yeah, just like that. Repeat the procedure as many times as you consider it's necessary. So last few turns and we are ready to go, just like that. So in a back tray, I'm gonna put all my potatoes just like you see in the video, and I'm gonna speed this up like this. Yeah, our final wedge just like this, and we're gonna finish them topping them with some cheese on top. With a spoon, I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese just like you see in the video, and I had a preheat oven at 180 degrees. I got the air circulation mode on and at 180. And just like that, we are ready to go. As you may see, they are in the oven, 180, and air circulation mode is on. As they are pre-cooked, we just need to have this wonderful color, and once they have it, we are done. So I hope you like it, that you enjoy it, and you can make it at home, this crunchy, cheesy wedge potatoes. So take care everyone, and have a nice journey